This is Brian Lofty with Brian Lofty Lawn Care, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you this 3/8 ratchet that RYOBI has. And there's the model number, P344, the 3/8 ratchet. And it's a handy tool to use to help without having to use a ratchet all the time. You just simply press this, the trigger, take bolts out, and we're using the 4 amp hour battery. And we're going to test it out. Simply just do that. No more ratcheting with a ratchet. I think it's a real handy tool if you're taking a motor apart, working on your car, anything that you're doing. I think it's very helpful. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching guys. Like and subscribe.